here from Pampered Chef. Pampered Chef. When you want to eat healthy, I think it's just as important to have the right tools in place. What I ordered was something to make my own pizza. And when I say eat healthy, I mean eat according to my diet. I am dairy-free, gluten-free. I'm not completely plant-based. The only animal products I still eat are fish and eggs. So that was a deal breaker for me. I like eggs and I like fish. Anywho, so I ordered something from Pampered Chef to help me eat the way that I'm supposed to eat. So I'm gonna share with you what I bought. I want to get down to the nitty gritty and show you what I have. These are 2 metal straws. I love wood utensils. This is a teak wood corner spoon. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a teak wood spatula. Not good. And this is the teak wood spoon. Y'all have not noticed I love Pampered Chef. I have some other things that I ordered from them. So I will share my Pampered Chef collection with you guys. This is a bamboo, just a regular little spoon set. So my goal is to have a lot of wood dishes. I don't have any wood bowls. That's my next thing I want to buy. That's some wood salad bowls, soup bowls. I don't know. This is a crinkle cutter. Like when you want to make crinkle fries, you can do like crinkle cucumbers, apples, lots of stuff. So this is what that looks like. And you just put your fruit, vegetable, whatever on the surface and slice. And this is a cover for it. So awesome. What else I got? Oh, I bought 2 of these. This is a cleaning brush, a dual-sided cleaning brush. You know how those little small spaces that's hard to get into around your sink? This has a little pointed, I don't know if you can see that little pointed tool end on it, and a scrub brush to clean the, I purchased it specifically for my kitchen sink. This is a pocket maker. I like empanadas. So they have this little tool here to make those. You can make little apple pies also. I have no idea how to use it, but when I make an empanada, apple pie, whatever it is I'm gonna make with this, I'm gonna show y'all how to use it. A cake tester releaser. This is just what you stick in the cake. It's got a little plastic sleeve over it, and it's just like a metal pick with a sleeve over it, basically. Now this is what I went to order and got all the other stuff. You know how it goes. You go to Walmart to get, I bought 2 of those brushes. I got one for my bathroom and one for the kitchen. This is what I really wanted to order. It's just like going into Walmart to get 1 or 2 things and you come out with a, or should I say Target, Walmart, either store. I do the same in either store I go into. Man, OMG, this thing is huge. You know, I just see stuff. I really did not look at the measurements. Oh my goodness. I'm the only one in the house that's gluten-free, dairy-free. Look look at this. This thing is huge. It's a pizza peel. See how big this thing is? Oh my goodness. Huge. So that's the pizza peel. And last but certainly not least, this is the pizza stone. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. This is huge. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see that? I do not like seeing those circles. This thing is huge. Look how big this is. It's very backwards, but can you see the Pampered Chef? And it's heavy. So this is what I wanted, a huge stone. So yeah, this is what I really wanted to order, a stone and a pizza peel. So when I make it, I will actually share with you guys and let you know if I thought it was worth it, and especially if you're interested anyway, how to make the empanadas and little apple pie turnovers. I know some of the stuff is overpriced, but I do like supporting women in business. So a lot of times, I know you can get this stuff off of Amazon, but just to support other women in business, I order from them. So that's it. I'm gonna show you some of the other cool things that I got from Pampered Chef as well. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all some other little odd and end things that I purchased from Pampered Chef. I bought this, I know, system stuff, just gadgets. I like gadgets. So this you just put on the end of a can that you open and just drain. That's it. Yeah. I bought a prep. It's 6 of these little prep bowl kits. Just a glass bowl with a top. It's 6 of them. Another wood spatula set. It's wood handle. It's a spaghetti. I don't know, a little spaghetti gadget. Another rubber spoon with a wood handle and a spatula. And oh, this thing here. I don't really eat ground beef, but it's good for. It's a little thing to chop up meat in a pan. Like if you're frying some ground beef, it just helps to break it up a little easier. When I first saw it, I thought that when you push down on it, it would turn, but no, you have to grind it yourself. Yeah. And one of my favorite things from Pampered Chef is this can opener. Okay, it's a little different. It's got the little wheel that you normally will put on top of the can, and on the side you just turn it. Well, this one, you put this on the outside of the can, turn it and go around the can, and then it's got this little blip. You can't see it. There's a little slit here. Y'all, I'll get better with my camera. Anyway, that little slit right there, you just put it on the can, push this button and lift the lid up. I love this thing. So that's some of my Pampered Chef. I have cookie sheets, other spatulas. I have this little brownie sheet. Anyway, I just wanted to share some of the things that I purchased from Pampered Chef in case it interests you. Again, my whole purpose for purchasing from them is again to support other women, but also to inspire me in the kitchen when I'm making, you know, healthy dishes. So when I start to make my pizza, I found a couple of gluten-free, dairy-free pizza recipes. So once I get them down pat, I make it a couple of times. I'm gonna come on and show you guys how I make them. So that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Hello everybody, part 2. So I'm cheating a little bit. I told you guys I was gonna come back with the school recipe. Well, I did quite a bit of research, and it takes quite a while to make that pizza that I was looking for. I just don't have that kind of time right now, but I did want to just show you an alternative. The only thing that's not so good is the carbs. This is cauliflower pizza crust. It's cauliflower all about the base. It's 2 cauliflower crusts. The carbs in here is 28. So this is what it looks like. Too much light. This is what's gonna go on it. This is some dairy-free. This is dairy-free cheese daya. I have some Beyond Meat and beefy crumbles and some peppers. So I'm gonna put this on here and I'll come back and let you see what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looked like. Don't judge me. This is my very first time as a beginner making pizza, but I think it's a little cute. I know, this stone is huge. I just need an excuse to use my stone. So here we are. So it says to bake this at 425 for 10 to, what did I see this at? 12, no, from 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna pop my beautiful creation, semi-creation in the oven, and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so this is what it is looking like out of the oven. Smells good. I haven't tasted yet. So I will do a little taste test and I'll let you know how it tastes. Taste test. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, this is good. You know, like my pizza peel is nice. I love it. Scooped it right up with no problem. So there you have it. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and let me know if you make your own homemade pizza. If you have a really good recipe, please share it or tell me where I can get it. See you next time.